along and sing with me right here on BholuTv.
Yeah. Happy Republic Day today. Let us sing and cheer, hooray. India shines so proud and bright, with freedom, truth, and might. Orange, white, and green we see. Our flag waves happily as shock chakra in the middle round spins the message, peace all around. Salute the flag up in the sky. Stand up straight, wave and smile. We love our country, yes we do. Red, white, green, and blue. No, orange, white, and green, so true. March, march, step by step. Soldier strong, no fear, no step back. They keep us safe both day and night. We thank them with all our might. Drum goes boom, band goes play. Parade is here, it's a happy day. Planes fly high, colors spread. Tricolor paints the sky overhead. Our leaders made our rules that day, so India could find its way. Justice, freedom, equality, make our nation strong and free. Sing the anthem loud and clear. Feel the pride, no place for fear. Hand on heart and eyes so bright. India's future shining light. We promise to be good and kind. Help our country grow and shine. Study well and do our best. Make our India better than the rest. Happy Republic Day we say to our India.